tinachinecakes.com. Don't forget my big Christmas sale. Buy 2 cupcakes and get 6 dozen cupcake for free. Nobody watch my empty box them. Me bake and ship out more cake than Miss Lothian, Noel, His Majesty, and 99. Bro, sorry for me. Bad mind breed, bad business. 5 years now, me still can't sell no cake. Nobody want buy nothing from me. Box them empty. 5 years now, I'm still not sell no cakes. All I have is empty box around me. If you want one empty box to buy, make me know. Yes, me know say me bad mind and grudgeful and disgraceful. 5 years now, and me still can't sell no cake. All of the other top baker them done me, dust out, left me for dead.
Whoa, I feel a sort of way. Oh. I feel a sort of, I feel like I'm losing my mind. Oh. I feel like I'm losing, hold on. I feel like I'm losing my mind. I feel like I'm losing my mind. I'm losing my mind. I'm losing my mind. I feel like I'm losing my mind. I'm losing my mind. Yes, yes. Calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Yes, calm down. Speak my mind, people. Wagwan. Wagwan. Blanca Nation. Come 2025, I've been telling you that we need to build a new mental facility. No joke. We need to build a new mental facility. Donna go. That's our aim for 2025. I'm ready to put my little 2 black to it. That's why I don't like take my medication. Because when I take my medication, it make me have consumption. You want to hear how she did a cough on the video this morning when I post? This was our help water. That's a symptom of when our head out to take her. When she out, we have the mental breakdown and her head will take her, she have dry throat, dry cough, and the consumption start come up and she use water. Speak my mind, family, you don't know what they do. It is so easy, but not to get mental over the success of people. But it is so easy for you to do the do. Like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend. Tell her, the medication getting to me now, you know. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Hit the thumbs up when you hit the video and please to watch the ads. Please to watch the ads. You don't notice? This morning me I watch back the video with me post. And me I tell you, I nearly hate ads come on it. Some of the ads then long from here so to Trillani. And as me tell you, say, you don't have to watch the ads them when them so long. Fool you. All you have to do is watch 2. Beer, what I'm telling you on my table, man. Just because he made me go on with a little foolishness, you know. Him get overprotective, that's how him stay. Anytime him hear me go on with a little knife, him start circling me and him start look up and jump up. Because I wonder if me in a danger. I bear that. So me time you see camera shake and him a circle me. Because I wonder where I go on. Me not tell you if you watch the whole of the video, but at least watch 2 to 3 minutes of it. Come here, tell you, but here I know. You see the rush season, it will come to an end now with YouTube and the ads. So more ads are going to push out in the coming days. So we're going to see a whole lot more ads on the channel. But just watch even 2 to 3 minutes of each one of them. Don't skip the ads. That's why I say I want supporters and not fans. So remember, watch the ads so the channel get a revenue. And remember, Life is a Mission TV. Please go give it a subscription if you have not yet subscribed. That's my backup channel. Or my second channel, I should say. The only way it becomes back up and go on with things like this over there unless something wrong with this, God forbid. And me a ask you know, We do the same thing over there. Watch the ads. Family oriented channel. Different type of things. Whole heap of different things over there. And remember, TikTok Life is a Mission TV. And the new app we are going to take over for TikTok in the Jamaican diaspora. Favorited. I remember Life with Gabby and Chevy still want a 50 and more subscribers. Please to give her that subscription before the season is out. I want to come next year. I not talk about them. Alright? And the cash app is there. $ Charms and Trends. When you gift me, and you ask the cash app, you know, some method of gifting me. The cash app is there. And the amount of people that ask the cash app. I don't see the amount of people that God bless me, little handful of people them will reach out and reach out to little transfer when the month time come. Yes, it might not be consistent, but me grateful for when you not send it because it easily clear the pressure off of me. Alright? So me thank you. Anyway, $ Charms and Trends. When you give me, me use a gift to give back to the needy, not the greedy. And it's still time for you to buy your loved one a special gift. Go on Instagram, charmed_and_trends. When you go on that channel, that page on Instagram, anything you see on the page, you can get it customized to your liking. Make a special gift for your special loved one. A gift that they can cherish. Wedding picture, anniversary picture, your kids, name, whatsoever. Make it customized. Don't just go the regular way like everybody. And what better place to start but Charms and Trends? You can go straight to the website, charmsandtrend.shop. Or if you want it to be customized, you go right into the DM. Further information. Quick. You get customer service is very good. You get a response. Alright? Anyway, people. Lord Jesus, please. The season has come to an end. The baking season coming to an end. And when me looking at my purse, hold on, they make a safer. Take out my purse out of my brassiere because all time style me like, you know, tie up my money in a plastic bag. But me not no money in this. Where is all the cake money gone? I don't know. So all the cake when me ship out of myself. Where is the cake money? I don't know. Where is all the cake money gone? I don't know. After all of the cake when me sell and ship out, me ship cake go to Carolina, me ship cake go to China, me ship cake go to Texas, me ship cake go to Mexico. But where is the money? Where is all my cake money gone? I don't know. So because you see the money not come in, the money weak because too much sale, too much discount, and they lie them when them tell about them make much cake. Jesus Christ. Them sit down and them observe. The 2 or the 3 other bakers out here we are ship cake for real. And the season are done and them not make no money. So 99 come upon our life and speaking in general as she normally do and them take it up and run with it so she them a throw Donna throw a word pan. Cause Donna must come out upon her live and say, people not buy from me, you know, which is general talk, everybody talk, especially when it come on to food. If people see you pass and you mix up and you chat this and you talk so and you cussy, them no want buy no food from you. So a reality that and the woman come out and talk, Lord Jesus Christ, T-Dog run with it. She's not done and she not make no money, so she run with it, people. And she take it up and she come out. And she did show the mental health part of her. So, me go allow you to listen. And me done talk. Tina time for talk. And she go way back in time. From way back when I bring up back stuff. And at the same time, is to strengthen her cause of coming out here to cuss. And all that she said Donna have done. Me know Donna no come out here come just chat so. Anything Donna come out here come chat is where she sum up and pertaining to what them say. And she say. And you know, after a while, she just come out and go up in her element and chat. So I want to listen. Normal way how she starts her business. Our life. Listen, normal way. And then she just start chat all kind of things.
Alright. Oh, it's coming tomorrow. Happy holidays. Yeah, man, I ship it off as fast as my code stay safe. You understand? Me keep my toes, fingers, and everything crossed.
Business are going good.
Listen, everybody I get them. You saw the season nice and smooth. Me not answer nobody. Them throw
Right
them
up in night, she
can.
go now.
And
Right up in night.
me not go come here no foul. Yes, you saw the season nice and quiet. Because when them throw them can, me just go and be my things them. And go and do my things them. And me not lift up my face out and me hear them. Me just do their bake.
You know, lift up your mouth water out and hate them. Your
Your
mouth water, you know, lift up.
No matter how them did I call up my name and I throw them shade. Me not look left, me not look right, me not look so, me not look so, me not look so, me just look so. So me look this whole season. So me look this whole season. Just pan me cake.
Commercial break. Greetings break. I want to say big up Deborah Frank, Patrice Bailey, Andreen Harris, Patty Yoni, Ermin, Sweet Brown, Sanika, Caroline Pennant, Clasmia, Marcia Stevenson, and Kinsley, what is? Schultz? Kinsley Schultz, that's how your last name pronounced. Bless upon yourself and season greetings. Remember, Christmas is just around the corner. Who not hear on the name, who not listen out, or check the past videos. Back to regular programming.
Tunnel vision. Mr. Guys, we have a piece of tunnel vision this season, you see?
If you have tunnel vision and it work out and you are BS, so just imagine if it never work out.
Me not business with anybody throw them shit, me never see them.
Eh?
No distraction. I didn't allow any distraction this season. None tall. No
Money make but the
distractions.
purse
I allow.
empty,
None
the
tall.
account empty. So all money make and the purse and the account
I'm so
empty.
proud of myself. Me alone. Me not business who I do. Just leave me alone. Yes, I don't care what they're doing. Just leave me and let me be. Let me be. Yes, but this Wednesday. Yes, this Wednesday that somehow burned, for example, or you know, I'll cut up that cake and set. You know what I mean? Like instead of throwing it out, I'll just cut off the burn part and just set it out. But I can't give that to a customer. No, I cannot do that. But instead of wasting it and throwing it out, I'll just slice it up and give it to somebody. And they really do appreciate it. Trust me.
So when you come out here and make it look like, oh, I give you brother. So somebody make an order for cake or 6-cup cake. She might have some bun up cake. Where, you know, she can't sell as card to she. Because she can't give it to customer. Or she can't sell it to customer. But what the difference if giving it and selling it to customer? Yes, it might not have value. Because it burn up. But when you pick them on them that. Or your worker. Hold on, when I say workers, oh sorry, I forgot to say no workers. When you and your picking on them the bun up cake, you still cut it up because it burn and supposed to go into the rubbish or you're picking your friends and family for them that. You still cut it up. And the customer will order for them cake, you make it look like you are doing something good for them when you're not doing anything good for them. To make it look like, oh, I send you, I brought a piece of cake. Promotion. But that promotion come by force because the cake burn up. You can't sell it because nobody not really have a bite. But why you make it look as if, oh, you go the extra mile, you know, to give your customers a little bit more for their money, a little more value. That's how you used to make it look, you know, when you come out and talk about all this brother, you know. Oh, you like the brother? Yes, man. That's how I do, you know. I try to treat my customers good, you know. When I refuse bun up cake, you take a cut up and trim down the bun up part and I put in a file and bow your ear lock or seal lock bag and send go give. Eh? I saw you, they make it look, you know. You never make it look like, say, a cake if you go in a rubbish pan or you and your family for now. You make it look like you go out of your way and bake extra cake just to issue a little brother. Where? Sometimes I don't remember when I chat it, I want to chat it, you know, I want to put it outside here, you know.
I like giving them a talk about the burrata come. Burrata, but sometimes I give burrata.
Sometime when the cake burn up.
Yeah. It was a thing for me to do.
Me never know say you do bun
Right?
cake
Just
too.
bake every Christmas on Facebook
So when Donna
Live.
cake them
Because
catch
I'm
sometime,
Facebook Live.
especially at
Yeah,
night
I was
time
one
when
of
they
the
don't
first
know
influencers
energy
with
gone, you make
Facebook
it be a
Live.
big thing. You
And
come
we
out
did
here
a
talk
bake
about
every
bun
Christmas
cake. So
on
I never know say you
Facebook
bun
Live.
cake too.
And
Anybody
but I
can
wasn't
bun
selling.
cake.
Even though one guy named Polo, him said, sell man, I'ma say no, I'm not sell it. You know, like I said, sell it now. I'ma just end up a bake for life, year after year, bake for life. You understand? So anytime if you hear nobody I come and talk about them first, this and a them first, that I lie them I tell
You know,
no,
we hear about Sorel cake now
so
too.
when
The big
Facebook
lie
Live
about
did them
Sorel
out,
cake.
them not even did a Facebook Live. You understand? So I don't know how them I try to claim to at them first, this and at them first, the Sorel cake. Them first the Sorel cake me behind. Sorel cake was being done by the Guyanese from long
This is
time.
how she research all of your bake
Sorel
product
cake
them. Listen.
Guyanese people are do sorrel cake long time. Nobody no cuss them about no sorrel cake. Them too friggin' lie, right? People compound what people were talking about. People were talking about the dye or.
So if you know that Guyanese used to do sorrel cake long time and Guyanese are the founder of sorrel cake, for you to be researching cakes over and over and products of baked products online over and over to come and try it and make it look like you are the one who invented it, why didn't you choose to do sorrel cake? Who make you go research sorrel cake? $1.99. Because you never know all of this before. Because if you didn't know all this before, when you come out, come say what you say, and I go on like say you never said that. Because in this video you deny saying all the way you did say, you know. I wonder if Leggy can come back with that video there. Because them man, they have them the archive there, you know. Yes, man. When you come out, you come say what Sorel do to me. I don't know if I liver, bladder, or kidney. But you say Sorel is not good for you. It damaged some one of your intestine. It damaged. I don't remember exactly which one you said. And you deny say you said that. For show you how devil you is. Something with the pan record is just find it. I mean, no. It's not hard to find. Because the archive man can probably go find it. When you come out, you come say that. And you deny say you said that. But if a Guyanese bring this and you know this, why didn't you take it up during that time? Why is when the woman start bake her sorrel cakes then? You understand? You come out, you come make all kind of bad talk against the woman sorrel cake till you eventually start bake sorrel cake. And then you turn your own things, say the woman see you do things and criticize and then she do it. When you is the one that see the woman do things, criticize that when you see the sorrel cake get off the ground, you start talking what die the woman a use because sorrel not so red. People, don't listen, because me I tell a lie now, she.
Coloring in the cakes. That's what people were talking about. People were talking about the coloring in the cake. Nobody was cussing. Nobody about poisoning.
Hey,
Nobody never did a cuss.
Sometimes I never want my phone to take all them come box it. Hey.
Okay, I remember.
You remember what you want to remember
where
with the lie itself.
Tina do the sorrel cake. Now I say no, Sam. I don't want nobody to say. Talk about me.
You come out here, come tell the public say sorrel is not good for your health. Sorrel has so much health benefit. You come tell the people them say sorrel not good for your health with the lie itself.
Them not put no coloring in them cake and all sorts of something. So me know. Wait a Patrice. So me know. Wait a Patrice. You come from long time with me no Patrice, right? Me know say. Me know come out. Them time the argument did hot, you know. Argument did hot and people are dash them wood. Nobody not innocent. Yeah, let me put that out.
Real delusional son of a.
And them never this. Everybody do this to them. Everybody do this to them. Them not friggin' self-righteous. I'm telling you the truth, right? Guyanese people have been doing sorrel cake for years on YouTube. If you go on YouTube and research YouTube, if
Donna never started, you wouldn't know about it. And you wouldn't have the nerves or the idea for us research it, don't you? You wouldn't have the thought to go research it, and you do so much research about baked products.
Some people get up nowadays and I come and talk, at them start the sorrel cake and this and that. Get the hell out of here. Right?
May I ask again, you know that how long you never do it before? Who inspired you to do it? Who inspired you to do it?
You did not invent sorrel cake, you're too damn lie.
Remember, as me saying, when the woman started to criticize it, you know, and talk about the health issue that it brings, you know, when sorrel is it have so much benefit where health is concerned, people. That's why I drink sorrel right around the clock. Not really saying because but I am a lover of sorrel. Worse when it mixed properly. And if I buy the true juice one, you know, say non-alcoholic and stuff, I add my little thing to it. Although the true juice one is not really, you know, the home style type of drawing of sorrel, but you might not have the access to the, you know, so you take it and twist it otherwise with your little added things then. But when me I say, if you didn't know this all along, you wouldn't come criticize the woman's sorrel cake when she start do it. And when you see it start fly off the shelf, there you go and try it because you realize say the people them take on to it and love it. So you want to mingle in the production of making sorrel cakes. So who inspired you? It wasn't the Guyanese who inspired you. So basically, this woman 99 was the person who bring it to the forefront that you, because you never researched this before, you know. Because if you did research this before, you wanna come say what you say. So a 99 inspire you if you go research it, and you go research it, we come back to find negative. And negative things make you go research it, you know. And when you realize, you come back and you see the benefit that sorrel have where health is concerned, and you jump on the wagon and you feel, we don't want it, you know, but you just feel better, you just don't say nothing. You feel to admit the fact. Say 99 is the one who inspire you. It is evident that 99 inspire you in so much way, but you flip the script like you is the one who inspired she. How much product you did have when you have baked this rum cake? Eh? One of you feel like a cupcake then. Until 99 start. Actually every year come out with one or two new product. You start do the same thing and come with one bag of mixture. The same mixture where this woman try naturally out her head. And you criticize it. You understand? You come and do and create all kind of different products. So who inspire who? Who pattern who? Who follow who? But you twist it and I try make your people them from here one talk about, oh, one what's her name, Patrice. I remember when she asked, she reached out to you for help. What kind of help Donna reach out to her for? The same immigration business, the same migration business you're not gonna come with. When she were having a topic on her platform and the woman in the situation where her kids them out to leave by migration, and the woman feel in herself to ask a few questions where me say she never did have to ask. But probably through them time there, she had listened to our program and stuff, you know. She figure more like, okay, I can ask these questions so I can, you know, enlighten myself some more and know more about it. Despite probably I never she did even deal with the situation, probably they picked them father and whatsoever. If me never drink this water before, I mean always I drink a different type of water. I never used to take this medication before. And you know, so you have different brand, different type of medication for the same purpose. And I asked somebody who is on this medication, how that medication they make you feel? What about that medication? And the person give me a little heads up on it. That not mean so the person inspire me to take this medication. That not mean so other person tell me what kind of medication to take to heal my sickness. I know you have the same sickness as me and you're dependent on a certain medication. So I ask you, despite your body might not work the same way because our immune system are different. But I just ask you like a heads up, since you are taking a medication for the same purpose that me want a medication for. I come and ask you a little opinion. That not mean say you teach me nothing. That not mean say you teach me nothing. So the woman come and ask you if you look a question on immigration and whatsoever, you come and go and like say the woman come to you and run to you for advice.
With it, a lot of sorrel drink. Even growing up in Jamaica, I never heard of a sorrel cake. I heard of a rum cake, not a sorrel cake. Why? Because sorrel cake was popular among Guyanese people.
And only Guyanese make you know about it. After Donna come out with it, you go research and find that.
Well, me never did know. Well, yeah, and other people in Jamaica were probably
she
doing
just don't want to give the
too.
woman the props.
You understand me?
So the woman bring it to the forefront so
Other
she
people
could
in
know about
Jamaica
it.
was probably doing sorrel cake for Goblet, you know, you see true, me never did a bake for sell them time there. And you know, me never did really interested in a sorrel cake.
It's since the Guyanese, you discover the Guyanese doing it, make you do it.
When them start come out now.
After how much years in baking from your 16-year-old?
Red cake, some fire red
Baking
cake,
from your 16-year-old, you just find out it's a sorrel
cake.
cake.
Put out the fire red cake. People used to say, oh my God.
Fire red cake we are selling off the shelf.
Red and blah, 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 you know. Them time the argument between me and them did hot. You know, so them cuss me and some cuss them back. You understand? So I say, alright. Me I got proof to you say you put some sort of coloring in your sorrel cake. Right? And that means say no, me I got proof because you are tell liable or you not put coloring in a sorrel cake and your sorrel cake come out naturally red like that. I'ma say no, that's not normal. Yeah? Dirty girl Grant, come off from a page, dirty girl. Dirty girl Grant, come off from a page, go suck your mama. Anyways,
just think and fabricate a story while going along. Just continue to think and fabricate your story when going along.
Pardon me, people.
Yo, she can't talk fluently.
Them come out at all.
Be a shuffle.
Them not put no dye in a sorrel cake. I say, alright, me go prove to you. Say you put dye in a sorrel cake. That was the conversation. Me I go prove to you say you put dye in a sorrel cake. Don't make them change the narratives. The narrative was about the color of the cake, right? Me personally said, I don't like sorrel, so that's why I did not do sorrel cake, because I don't like sorrel. That's what I said. Don't make them change it.
But you can't prove by doing what you say you do. Because she said she start bake the sorrel cake, and whenever you mix out the sorrel, whichever way she do it, because it's not most the same way Donna do it, she do it, you know. Because she might go use a natural sorrel by juicing the sorrel. She might blend it. She might do all kind of different things. And it's not the way that 99 do it. And because of how she do it, it not come out or it's supposed to come out. So because it not come out or it's supposed to come out, she believes that, oh, it can't be naturally red. Because when you put in the flour, when you mix it, yes, you get the red flavor. But as soon as you add the starch where the flour is concerned, the color changes to purple and it changes to this. If me I want apprentice painter towards mixing paint. Remember no, me's apprentice towards mixing paint. If blue and yellow give you pink, me can come use the same blue and yellow, you know, as apprentice, you know. Remember no, you know, you as the master, you use blue and yellow, mix and it give you pink. Me come and me use the same blue and yellow, and me get red. You know the difference? Remember, you're a master of what you do. I try me, I come try something. So guess what me know? One of those color when me put in too much. So the measurement of the color is too much. Just like if when them say black paint can change and bring any different color you want. Black paint is the main paint. But notice when time you go to the mixing shop and them put the black paint, I just look at that. The main color, the base color in all one big thing so. And the little color where them are use to change that color, them just go tip it, and them store it, boom, you get the color. Suppose you go throw the same amount of red and pink in the pan and mix. You must get a different color from where 99 get. You go say, boy, if you throw less flour or if you throw less flour. If you make a batter to make 20 cake, how can you throw less flour in it to get that 20 pan of cake out of the batter? What do you use as substitute for the flour then? If you are going to take away less flour, because if you put too much flour, the color will change because of the star. What you use as a substitute then? Because there's no way you're going to mix a batter to make 20 cake and you're going to reduce the amount of flour unless you're going to have substitute for the flour. So if you have to reduce the flour to get the color of the cake where you want, where you use as a substitute to get the 20 cake out of the batter. So she not talk nothing with sense as a professional, you know. And me no know nothing about baking, me just can help myself. Home baking like bake a little cake or bake a little pudding. Nothing extravagant. And not no decorative. Oh.
For make it sound like say people. I said I don't like sorrel cake because I did done
I
check
never that you
YouTube
said.
already. I
Where?
said there was sorrel cake made
You
in
criticize
Guyana.
the sorrel
So
cake.
how somebody I take claim to sorrel
Where
cake
health
when it are
benefit is
making in
concerned.
Guyana? And that was the big debate on social media years ago. Right? Because there's somebody that come take claim to sorrel cake like a them invented when Guyanese people and some Jamaican people are make sorrel cake from what became full up.
And you never know about it until she start.
So now, when them
Eh? Every time them big song, every time them try to fight me, you never going to win. Cause Jah, they right beside me, so you never going to win. A big that song they couldn't play in a better time. Every time them try to fight me, so you never going to win. You never going to win. Because Jah, they beside me, right beside me.
Tell people don't do this, don't do that. And I saw it go like them a big baker. You understand? Like them know everything and like them a big baker. So them used to come out every minute and talk.
Small baker make you all of the money and the big one now make none.
And I saw it go. Remember me a bake from me at 16.
And you never know about
And
sorrel
this
cake
giant
until
woman used to
the
come out
giant
and
woman
talk
come.
about, no, and I saw everything we do. Oh, and I saw it go. And I saw it go. And I saw it go.
Look at all Tina now, how come cuss people about giant? Tina was stress lick out the whole of her earline. Stress, lick out poverty and sufferation, lick out financial stress, lick out the whole of Tina earline. When look at Tina have no earline, but it says she come call somebody giant. Can you imagine? Look how Donna giant fit her. But me sure know your peel out earline no fit you. Notice when you catch up your ear so in a one. Jesus Christ, you could have put in a cornfield. Not a scarecrow. No bird. Bear, what I'm to you, man? No beer, nothing at all. Who no coming out of the cornfield? No call nobody giant. Go look about your earline. And it can't look about. Because you will never better off in a life to solve your financial stress where you go through. Because if you have not done that over 20 years and you continue to be the same person you is, and now you go change when you go up in age, when you should have grown that long time, say it young and naive. You understand? But you grow out of age now. You soon go up in your 50s and you still not grow it out, you grow in it instead of grow out of it. So you will never change. So you will always stress. Sooner or later you're gonna lose all the hair like a chemo you go through.
Them alone they don't want to dominate cakes. I saw it go. Eh? You think a long time it stays so you know. A long time them stay so when them a try it. Kill people.
Listen, when me hear that video this morning, I say, where me miss? Where me miss? Cause she couldn't just get up out of the blues and just a cuss song and expose herself, say boy, nothing no going fair for the Christmas. How when me a do man say, Donna get up and say, oh, people are cuss and this, and when you cuss people now buy your product and a she Donna talk. When the woman make a general statement.
You understand me? I'm glad that somebody there from the start. Ask me for help, you know? Yeah.
What kind of help?
Ask me for help.
What kind of help?
I saw them turn around the narrative and change it with them. Them liar, wicked, ready-eye, bad-mind people, them lie.
If I am here running a program, presently, so I'm there for my live, I'm here running a program and the topic is about art issues. And you hear the program about art issues, whether it concern me, a friend, a relative, or whatsoever. And I am curious, since you're on that topic, or I am on that topic and you're curious, and you come on the platform and you say, so I hear them said coconut water is good for the art. You know, it wash off the art and stuff. What is your say on that? And you come and you say, well, as member now, you know, because you're supposed to be somebody who do your research, qualify, or whatsoever to speak on the topic while you're speaking on the topic. Or you have some experience of the topic while you're speaking of the topic. And I asked that question now, and you come out and say, well, you know, research has shown that coconut water has a lot of XYZ in it, and it go through a certain parts of your system, which when it go to that part of your system, yes, it is very good for the muscles, the veins, or whatsoever that connect to your heart. That's why them say wash off your heart. When you tell me that now, how will you do? Tell me now what you do. I save my heart. I tell me something we never know. Remember now something this what we hear, but we just want a little more fine tune, a little more details on it. What it do and whatsoever. And you is the one that has that program running. While I'm listening, I know somebody have the problem, or me have the problem, or a relative have the problem. So I just choose to, be a part of the program, interact with the program. You can walk and tell people, say, you tell me, say, coconut water good for my heart. When that's something I already know, it's just that I need to fine tune because I've heard it over and over, but I don't know the real benefits or what really it has done. You can walk and tell people, the woman come to you and ask you about that two little immigration queries. And you can go and say, you tell the woman how to get her pit in America. Who you to? So long to stop.
And I said to them, after me test it out,
thinking what next to
everybody
say.
said them not put no food coloring. In her, she said she not put no food coloring in her cake. I say you're too rash lie. I'll prove to you say you lie. So I'm going to do it myself.
But people, honestly, probably home bakers like me individually probably I bake something. I might not use that. Because I'm going to bake a cake today. And an extension again before I bake another one. When I go buy a backlog, unless I can get the retail for buy, I bake little. But almost every baker use food coloring in their baked product, majority of their baked products. But using the coloring is not the point. It's how much of that coloring you use. It's just like you say you sell coconut cake. Natural coconut cake, but at the same time the coconut cake is be artificial coconut flavor in it with 5% of real coconut. That's what the people them talk about all the while. Everybody use food coloring, but them now go buy flavoring, color flavor like you. We buy your color flavoring that all the way the color flavoring they use it so strong and often it left in your fingernails and your finger all about on your hand, sometimes on your face, because sometimes like you wipe your face and when you look you see coloring all on your face. Uno will love come talk about, sanitary wise cleanliness where we know Uno not have. So the dispute wasn't about using coloring. It's the amount of coloring you use. You will use one bottle of this as artificial color to a little toops of the original flavor. That is you. And that was the concern. Don't flip the script. Oh.
So wait, you saw them lie and wicked Patrice. So I say, alright, let me prove to you say you're a liar. So you put some coloring or something in your cake to get it that red. So I start making the sorrel cake now. When I start
Listen,
making the
based on what I
sorrel
said
cake now,
earlier, listen.
but notice say the sorrel cake turn pink when the flour touch it. When you're done putting the liquids and the sorrel in the butter, right? The sorrel make the butter ready now with just the liquids in it. But you see the minute you add that starch, the flour, it takes the color and it turns the butter purple or it turns the butter a pale pink, right? Pale pink or purple. In order for you to get
so
that
I understand why I
color,
use a
that
demonstration
bright red color,
of the paint business a while ago.
You have to add a coloring
Oh,
to
she
it.
know.
However you
Oh, Donna
source
do
your
fair
coloring,
one and the
it's your
amount what she
business,
use and
but
the
you
amount
have
of this
to
and amount
add
of that.
coloring to it to get it to that
Eh?
bright red color.
Use a
Or
novice to
you
make him
add
sorrel
lesser
cake.
flour
So you tried your way and that happened to you.
But it would still
That
take
no
away the
proof said the
color,
woman
but
I use
not that
coloring.
much. You understand what me I say? But these people were on the internet lying, said them not add no coloring to them sorrel cake with them lie. She lie.
If lie was a person, and you come and call people lie, look at
The
you.
moment me start sell me at such a station, bad man. I love knock food
You're
out of
at the
people
Sheen
mouth. I such
argument
stay for a
now.
long time.
You're at the Sheen argument.
So this whole Sheen thing, and I'm not new. Okay? The Sheen thing where people are beat her bad over, it's not new. As such she love take her mouth.
Beat her bad?
And stop.
Beat her bad. Did you know that this Sheen argument give her more mileage? Despite what have been said and what the public are, the reaction of the iglas and whatever, did you know that it give her more mileage? I bet you any money when she get her next update on all of our platforms, instead of followers and subscribers decrease, increase, views increase, salary increase, likes increase, shares increase. It give her more mileage. And you see, sometimes everybody don't go about doing certain things the one way. You have people who do them things more than one way. I can come out here, come say this stick red, when everybody say it brown. But this is my way. You understand? This is my way to create my content. Everybody have their way of creating content. And I'm not talking about clout. I'm talking about content. You're not going to come out here come say something where a clout here chase. But you just create content. You know everybody knows that this stick is brown. But you come out and you say it red. Because you know so when you say it red, it will create a content for you. Some people the content might be a backlash content, but at the same time it give you mileage. Them don't care. While there are people who will do it knowing that the content of me I create it me want. Look at Jaden on TikTok. All these things Jaden are saying on TikTok. Naturally he not must be the same person in a real life. But him see it as a content. I wouldn't do it. I now go look upon that as a content because me don't want people have me no way or think about me anyway. But him see it as a content. Look how much people have a problem with it. Look how much people talking about it. But at the same time, wait though, it elevates Jaden. Not saying you're going to make sacrifice and do anything to get elevation, you know. But just look at it, him see that way there and that look where it put him. Jaden is number one for 7 weeks straight. And he could have been number one for 8 weeks straight. But because of the passing of the TikTok and Naya, everybody just take a breath back, a step back and just say, okay, we have to make sure everything contribute over there to Naya and him family and him daughter. Right? The week before, him give him friend the privilege to get number one. Right? Alright, all that has done now. See there, and number one him there again. That him and him woman fall out over it because she want the number one. And him say him can't sit back and allow her to get it just at the start of the week and it cause confusion. You understand? And who's number one? Him a number one again. With what? Content that so many people is finding fault of. But that is his way, that is how him see it. So what if 99 knows within herself she come out here and talk about the Sheen argument? It might cause an uproar within Igla and she feel like she ready to take the backlash. But at the same time what she's saying is reality. A reality, you know. Because these people can deal with us as consumer far better off than how them deal with us. You go to whichever way you go, whether China or a distributor of somebody at China, you buy this water. You buy a case of this water that hold 32. Just, alright, make I use this for instance. Price Mart sell a case of this water for like, call it $1,000. $1,000. It have 32 buckle into it. And these people, when them come on road, them go buy it. Remember now them not just go buy one case, say boy, them have to pay transportation fee, you know. Them buy pallet, them buy half pallet. But yet still, when them a sell it, them want to make back the transportation money. Whether for them personal car, them put gas in, them want to make back the transportation money in one case of the water. You know what them come sell one bottle of the water for? $100. Very rare you go somewhere and them sell it one for $80 or $70. $100, 90% of the place sell you one for. Check that. A 32 one in the case at $3,200 when them done sell. They make 220% on them money. This is what 99 I talk about where Shein and the Eagles are concerned. Them can do better to make we as consumer better off in shopping with them. You want to tell me say you couldn't sell one of this water for even $70 and at the end of the day you make a profit? Because if you sell it at $50, you know, $1,600, $600 that you make already. Right? And check 32 times $20. You could have sell it for $70 and make even 100% for your money, but you want 220%. This is what we are talking about. We as consumers suffer. Because the people them are getting the things at a reasonable price and I look 3 times the money back for it. And this is why the Chinese people them better off. Because the Chinese will buy this for $50 and come back and sell it for $70. They must say, oh, me can sit down and make only $20. But at the end of the month, the amount where you sell, when you sell it for $150 if you make $100, the Chinese surpass your own in a week. And this is simple what Donna try to put out there, but people terms it different way. It's not fighting down eagles. As I said in a previous video, years ago, about 2 years ago, it was projected that online shopping is going to take over Jamaica. And one of the main things is about the cost of what these people is selling you these items for when you can go online and go get it for far cheaper. The only difference you might have to wait a little time for shipping. That's the only difference. So Donna never said nothing wrong, you know. But people run with it. Like on a fox. People don't like to hear the truth. People don't like you face them with the reality. Or when them go through the gate and it go happen, you tell them say that go happen. Them say you call it down upon them. When a reality, whether I made it say it or not say it, that go happen. Them not like that. So you come and use Shein argument now to defend yourself.
Long time she stay so. I make my pudding them. I'm putting them the door not you know. She come out. I just stay there mind my business and I make my pudding them. Mind my business you know, and I make my pudding them. When I put on my pudding them. Butter palm pudding. Butter palm pudding.
You're so important, that's why Donna said that to you. You're not saying nothing about her.
So look on this lady now. My pudding them not do this lady nothing. But I sit down here and bake my pudding them.
When you come out and talk about the woman cake them crack up. And the woman cake them a cow down. She must come out come say nothing in defense of herself towards your product. Talk what you have said. You're not going to say that. You never say nothing. That you ever say you never say nothing.
You know the spraying process and normal stuff. When you spray the cake them with rum and stuff like that. So I spray my cake them with rum now and I record it. And I spray my cake them. She come out. Me not spray my cake them. My cake them have the moisture locked in. My moisture is locked into my cake. I don't need to spray my cake. No sir. I never hear about spraying cake before in my life.
You see me how you come out and talk about this. Why you can't talk about what you have said also? Why this woman said what she said? Come out, come talk that man.
Fast forward, who
Be real and honest to your people, them man.
Spraying them cake after she sell how much dry bulla go send go give the people them. Who you see her spray the cake?
If so be the case, Guyanese a bake sorrel cake and them invent it. You never know. Donna bring that sorrel cake to the forefront in the Jamaican diaspora. You come out, you criticize it. You make one big alabaloo about the woman sorrel cake with health issue. Who we see her sell sorrel cake now? Who we see her sell sorrel cake now? So you see me I try to tell you, you twist everything around. Because you want to be that guy. You want to be that guy at all times, so you twist everything around. You want to look like the look good person.
Tell people not to buy me cake them because I spray me cake them. Who forget them days there? It sounds like something out of a movie, but it's real as day. The woman sit up on her
You are
back
Steven Seagal's sister, man. You are Steven Seagal's sister.
See him where she do me. See him where.
Oh, as me talk about that to people, I see one sitting like say Steven Seagal has passed. I don't know how true it is. Think up on Instagram, me see it. Steven Seagal passed. I don't know how long, but I book it up since week. Not since week, over the weekend, because the week just started.
Because you just don't like to see people prosper. You don't like to see people prosper.
Look who is talking. Somebody who have a history against people who are trying to survive in a life.
But you don't realize that the crumminess is the cake.
Somebody who attack so many people who are trying them business in a life where they even know you.
She never have no crumminess to her cake them.
You really have an art to say what you say.
She thinks that my crumminess was a negative of my cakes. When she used to say the crumminess for my cake. Oh, you cake them crummy. Oh, the crummy. No, long time she fight against and stay so. You understand? But people now gonna see it that way then. Right? And them gonna take her word for it. Cause the way she tell the lie them so good that you don't believe her. She sit up on her back and tell be a lie on people. Everything, remember when we first start? Everything me used
Me a
to do,
second, you come on hear everything when she has to dissect it. Allow me to come to the end. Give me a minute, the people.
I get the steam oven, and the woman come out. I don't use those oven. Them time the sharp baking and look old.
Then if she not use them oven, she says she use it.
Right?
There's a lot of things we don't have the experience about, but as we go along, we learn. We have to stick to what we know, and as we go along, we learn. Go ahead.
So I couldn't work from a house no more or nothing like that. You get me? Somebody have to run, go get commercial kitchen, commercial ovens, commercial this. I remember when I run, go get my commercial oven them.
Your commercial oven, I rent a space for the people them commercial oven.
This was the September, October, you know, the woman come
Stop talking about your run, go get like you go buy. You go rent a space.
I use them industrial oven.
You go and rent a space.
Dry out cake. I won't forget the morning.
Not your mixer, not your industrial oven. Fair one, a fair one. Unlike you.
Things more, me get oven dry out cake. I don't know, this whole sheen thing no new. A long time the woman stays so. Long time. Should I realize that commercial ovens are like that? You know, commercial ovens
Listen
are
that
like
idiot,
that,
yeah.
you know, where you have to steam. There's steamers, there's this, but she don't understand that. She never understand that at all. Because she's not a professional baker, she don't know nothing about baking. Yeah?
And it now work out for you as a professional, eh? Wow. You want to be unprofessional.
Yeah. I
Because
tell people not to support me.
up to this day, you still have it in your head, say, the woman couldn't connect the oven, the stove, because gas line have to go run and road have to go dig out. So, how which part should I get the gas from? Petrojam? I don't know the oil refinery the gas that come from, so she have to run it from way down a Greenwich from Marcus Garvey Drive to come all the way to Mountain View. People, this girl just love chat. I was along that field with a friend of mine who still operate a company like that. Pegasus First year at the airport, all of the major Burger King, most of them at him deal with them something there. No road now for dig out people. It is the same gas line. You know those 100-pound cylinders that should have used. And you have the bigger one and you have the bigger one, you know, where you have it. So based on your space where you have and how big the use of your bakery is, you can choose whether a 100-pound where normal domestic people that use, or you have some other little big one, yeah, where you have to build the area, have to put it down, to bolt it down and something. Anyway, all you got to do, set the kitchen inside there, so the gas pan I got the out here, so you bore the wall, you run your gas line through the wall. If you come connect on the gas tank and connect on the stove. Most of we have on the house, you don't know where we use 100-pound cylinder. It's actually the same way. The water line now where the water pipe I got provide the water. So while the oven on and I work, it has sweat. You know? Yes. So it steam the cake while baking it instead of dry it out when the ear shot talk about. It's just the same way. You're going to bore the wall, connect your line, your water line. You might have a filter on your line will filter the water before it go into the oven, so you get less chlorine. So you run it through the wall, connect it on your water line, pan the stove. Simple that. This girl say, oh, you can't connect them something upon gully side. Yes, because you have to dig out the road. Asshole like are you. You come and teach people and try to tell people something what you don't know about. You don't have a clue to what you chat about, girl. About dig up road for run gas line. Oh, you got to dig up government road for run private gas line, eh? Tell me now. So like I want to come out here and teach people. I want to know. Shh.
Sharon go get the same mixer as me.
Mixer as you?
And the woman, you know the wickedest thing about it?
The people that mixer.
People know the truth, you know, but them because of me, why them not talk the truth?
The truth is when you tell a bag of lie.
The truth. The woman sit down
Truth when you tell a bag of lie.
Everything. Teeth every damn thing. T-shirts.
Guyanese make invent Sorel cake and you never start your bake from your 16. And you never start bake Sorel cake till what 4 years ago.
I would never be that bold to come out here and say me invent Sorel cake. Can you just imagine that?
You have
bullshit?
rum cake alone.
Just getting
I
up and
bake
saying that
away
you
from your
invent
little
Sorel
ice
cake.
cake them where you make
Crazy
the
shit.
decorated
You're really
cake
out of
them.
order.
And all of a sudden the woman, you know, enlarging our products, you enlarging your one too.
Then Sharon go expand our kitchen when she see me a baking in my commercial kitchen.
In your commercial kitchen?
Sharon go expand kitchen. Run go take out big stuff. Me say.
In your commercial what?
When me did show the steamer oven. The steamer oven.
You see the difference? You're in your kitchen at baking in your house / bathroom. You understand? / living room. This woman in our kitchen, which is a kitchen, no restroom, no washroom attached to the area, to that open area. This woman see where our business are progress, where our products are in demand. As a business-headed person, an invested-head person, this woman chose to enlarge, refuse from go out there go rent a space. And she sit down and she visualize enlarging her place where she can have more space to create her products. And she have done that. And you are going to say, to the woman say, you go go get an industrial kitchen. She run go enlarge in her place. You did sell more cake than she in them the time there? No. No. Which part you go a year one? No. Which part you go a $50 at one point you pay for the hours them where you do you couldn't pay the $50. That the man have to get you out. Me don't know how you get back there. Probably you pay in advance now. You come a own mixer, you come a own steam free stove and all kind of shit like them a year one. All the way you talk about the woman have is her one. not rental.
When we did oven at the kitchen, the steamer oven, right? When we show the steamer oven them,
The
woman
people
run
steamer
go
over
buy the
them,
steamer
not your
oven.
own. The
So
people
me
them
start
steamer
laugh,
oven.
because here what? You see them steamer
Up to
oven them,
today, you don't
she
own
run
one.
gas line in order to get them for work. But she run go buy the
You have
$5,000
to
steamer
dig
oven,
up
the
road.
big
Listen
industrial
now.
steamer oven them, for put right down there so where she live. So this is after I show my steamer oven, you know. She run against and run go buy the steamer oven.
Why? And the whole of the teeth are
When
exposed.
me see it now, I say, oh, where shall I go with that the steamer oven there? Because we install that the steamer oven there, you have to go run gas line. And that is very expensive, baby love. You have to go run gas line, you have to go run water line, because the water come from the pipes them into the oven to create the steam. You understand? It's a very complex type of setup, right? And you have to have professional people to dig up the road and run the gas line them.
So where that gas would be coming from? Don't a petrol jam? May I ask you, where the gas would that come from? One gas station? People have been demonstrate to now a while ago. You get the professional person just like my brethren. Him come, him check the space, him see the amount of copper tube where I go on, where the gas line I go run through. Him measure up, him do measurement. The plumber come in, which my brethren him can do also the plumbing work, so him can do everything completely, so. And him check, him come, him measure up, him bore out your wall, run the line through it, bore out the wall for the water, run the line through it, connect it to the main water line here, so out a door, and him connect the gas line to the cylinder. Him take him gauge and him make sure him check everything is working. Him adjust up your stove, adjust it how it's supposed to go. Simple as that. When you talk about it expensive, yes, it will cost money because you buy the material like the copper wires and stuff is going to, but you make it look like it's going to cost millions of dollars. And when you got to talk about run underground, what kind of underground? As me ask, which part of the gas I go come from? Don't a petrol jam? Or out a Rockfoot? Or the nearest gas station to her? Oh, I said, you never stop come on social media, come tell people crap, man. You not talk about people, don't know about things and not talk about and you're worse. You ain't better?
But me never make her no wiser. She don't have the, I don't know what she do with the oven, but she don't have it. But it was one of them.
You're in her kitchen. Because every day they on her live I watch. Every day they on the live I watch.
The woman run against. Yeah.
She don't run against, man. She run left. And she run against, she run left. Because she run left you a long time. And that a beat you bad, she run left you a long time. It's not run against, she run left. Yup, long time.
Move up. You don't learn from the Sheen incident. You sit down there, so you sit down and take your big ignorant mouth and try to stop people food. Because you don't understand what it is to evolve. And then you are the first person to sit on your live and talk about people stagnant. When you're the stagnant one, you're speaking of yourself. You are the stagnant one. Stop using your ignorance.
There you go again. Proving yourself as an ass. All.
You shut up and leave people who understand.
How can you see a flowing river and say it's stagnant?
If you're not knowledgeable of certain topics, don't speak on it.
You not knowledgeable when you talk about the gas line a while ago and you speak of it and you're not knowledgeable of it.
She was cussing and swearing and dipping up on the people.
How can you see a roaring river and not gonna say it's stagnant and come tell people that you assist the river flow? Who you to?
We used to have to come out here and put them in there and put her in our place. And she never liked that. So I know she use it and turn it round and tell people say don't buy from me because me
so,
swear.
Are that your winnings? Putting her in our place? Are your winnings that you account pan? Where the money back there? Where the money back? Where the money back? Where the money back? Where the money back? Where the bank account? Where the bank account? Where the bank account? Where the bank account? Where the bank statement? Where the bank saying you there? Where the bank statement? Where the bank saying you there? Where the bank account? You want a loan? Me just lend a loan, you know, see there?
You're speaking of yourself.
Me just lend a loan, Tina. You look a loan?
Because nobody comes out here and pinpoints people's stuff like you do. Nobody comes out here
Lord God, Donna, as you said,
great people like you do. Nobody comes out
we're going for 2025 Planka Nation. You are going to write a petition and send it to Donna. Our aim for 2025 is to make a new mental institution. And I feel like we're not going to make it in Jamaica. We're going to make it in an essential geographical area of America.
Back in 2018, you said you did
that it can serve many people from different states. Easy access. But we want to put it close to which part she live. Because she have to have the first access to any mental institution where I go build. T-Dog have to have the first bed lie down in there.
Them look like bun in the bun loaf pan them where she bake. And me sitting there and collapse and spread well like
look on you when me see, me never sit down and fed up with a cake or just a cake or wrap. Make a cake and fed up with it that she box it down and crush it out. And me see you do that recently. With the kid and play cake. All you try to get the cake straight, it can't straight. You could have trimmed down, flim down. See cake here? Till she gets so fed up, she have to just box down the cake and crush it out. Me never see that happen to Donna yet. So you can't criticize nobody. And you're a professional baker. And Donna is a non-professional baker and she never do that yet. And as a non-professional baker, every year she's sure to make her money. Unlike you, sale. Speak your mind, people. Bless upon yourself and thanks for watching. Come to the end of our evening video. You don't know what they do. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, and hit the thumbs up and the video. Please to watch the ads, continue to support the backup channel Life Submission TV. Go follow me on TikTok, follow me on Favorite, the new app. And remember, Life with Gabby and Chevy is in the comment section. Please to give her a subscription. Help her to reach at 1,000. She's near 50 little bit now, people. It is working. Do it. The cash app is there, $ Charms and Trends. When you give me, I use a gift to give back to the needy, not the greedy. And please go support Charms and Trends. Don't make the Christmas done and not even 5 hours. Alright, me I put this out there. 5 of my supporter them, real supporter them. I want to reach out to Charms and Trends. Make me get the feedback say yes. 5 want to come over there from Speak My Mind. Come buy something. Please and thanks. If I have a 5 want to go up on Instagram, Charms _and_ Trends. Anything you see there, you get it customized to your loved one. Or you can go straight to the website, charmedandtrend.shop. Make me here by next week. At least 5 hours if I over Speak My Mind. Come over there, come buy something. Bless upon yourself. I'm out.